Hello everyone. My name is Karthik. I am from Odisha, and presently I live in Hyderabad. And I completed my graduation from 𝐸𝐴𝐻 University in Bachelor's of Commerce. Recently I passed out in 2024 only, and I switched my career into IT field. So I choose to join the design course like UI UX designing. So I search for institutes. So I get a perfect choice is Elearn Infotech. So I joined. After that, I get learn so many tools and projects. So after that, the teachers are guided me very well, and they sent me to the interview. Uh, I have very good luck, so I get my job in first interview only. So thank you.